Home Sweet Home. This one has all the charm, sunny spaces, and is move-in ready. Outside is perfect for a barbecue on the 17-foot by 15-foot patio, and you'll also find a deluxe storage shed, fenced yard, and raised garden. What sets this home apart from the others? Inside you'll find tasteful interior finishes, a functional sunroom and entry hall, and arched doorways. New hardwoods were installed upstairs to complete hardwoods and tile being used throughout most of this home. Pretty maple cabinetry and stainless steel appliances are found in the kitchen. The Grout just dried in the on-trend porcelain tile that was just installed in the downstairs bathroom, and the upstairs bath was done not long ago. A new roof was installed in 2014. Move in with time to enjoy the summer at Wright's Pond, Carr Park, and Fellsmere Park, a short distance away. Foodies will appreciate the array of restaurants nearby on Salem Street. Come find out why buyers are seeking Fulton Heights as their neighborhood.